Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you a few crochet cushions design ideas. So I hope you are enjoying my videos. So viewers, let's start today videos. So friends, let's start today videos. So my first so viewers, today we are exploring the timeless beauty of crochet bedsheet design. Handmade crochet bedsheets are more than just a bedroom accessories. They are a work of art that brings warmth, elegance, and creativity into any home. For generations, people have admired crochet because every stitch is made by hand. Unlike factory-made products, a crochet bedsheet carry the care, painting skill of the person how to create it there. This is why handmade crochet connect to be loved around the world. A beautiful crochet bedsheet can completely transform a bedroom. It adds texture, charm, and a cozy feeling that make the room more inviting. Whether your home has a modern, vintage, formal, or classic style, there are crochet design that fit perfectly. One of the most popular styles is the flower crochet bedsheet. Delicate rose, daisy, tulip sleeves, bedsheet create a soft and romantic look. These designs are perfect for anyone who loves nature and elegant home decor. Another favorite is the granny square crochet runner to crochet bedsheet. Small colorful squares are colorful joined together to create a large and beautiful masterpiece. Every square can have a different color combination, making each bedsheet completely unique. If you prefer a more elegant appearance, choose a lace crochet bedsheet of a work lace pattern. Create a light and graceful design that look beautiful over a plain bedsheet. Bedspread, white and cream lace remain classic choice because they never go out of style. And weavers, friends, modern homes after better geometric crochet pattern, dominant strip and repeating shape keep the bedsheet clean and stylish, but keeping the handmade charm. Tissue also play an important role. Box stitches, bubble stitches, shell stitches, and popcorn stitches create beautiful raised pattern that add weight and interest. These texture details make the bedsheet look rich and luxury. Weavers, choosing the right yarn is important for comfort and durability. Cotton is soft, breathable, and ideal for warm weather. Cotton blends are easy to care for and suitable for everyday use. Many crocheters also choose light yarn to create elegant decorative bed cover and frames. next idea is weavers. Color selection can completely change the mood of our bedroom. White and cream create a peaceful and timeless atmosphere. Green and soft gray give a modern look. Pastel pink, mint green, and baby blue add freshness, and cream bold color like navy green or deep purple make a statement. Many crafters enjoy creating matching bedroom suites along with the bedsheet. They make pillow cover, cushions cover, bedside table runner, blankets, and decorative throw using the same yarn and stitch pattern. This creates a beautiful coordinate bedroom. So, friends, and crochet bedsheets are perfect for season. Bright cotton design feel cool and comfortable. Turning summer will think texture patterns prove warm. Turning color cool months handmade crochet is both practical and decorative. One of the most wonderful things about crochet is that every project is unique. Even if you two people the same pattern, the finished bedsheet will have their own special texture. This makes handmade crochet truly one of a kind. Crochet bedsheets also make meaningful gifts. They are perfect for wedding, anniversary, housewarming, celebration, birthday, and family. Handmade gift to represent our fantasy and love, making it much more than something made by machine. And friends, so viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video. Friends, take care.